Alright guys, so we're here at, wow, this guy got really stuck, or really turned around. Anyway, we're here going to be doing a winch out, so we'll go ahead and see what the deal here is, and assess it, and go from there, I guess. Alright, Quebec is going to be 97. This looks like an interesting one.
Ooh, let me know.
Alright, let's go ahead and check it out. Morning. Or afternoon. Night. How are you?
Good.
Got stuck, huh? Alright, well, let me go ahead and take a look. You didn't try to drop the trailer or anything, right?
No.
Okay, it's still locked.
Yeah.
Alright. You almost had it. Okay.
That window's a little where I can hit the back up over there.
Okay, well, let me ask you this. Would you rather me pull you around and keep going that way, but take you through the bushes a little bit, or would you rather me pull you back out and you do that?
Yeah, pull it back up. We'll get over there because it's already touching in front of the gate over there.
Oh, there is a gate there? Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to pull you back this way then. Okay, sounds good. Because there's a spot down there that you can get into? Alright. Alright, so let me get to this side then, and I'll pull you back. Alright, we're to the other side. We're gonna get lined up here. I'm just gonna grab onto his trailer and pull him on back. At least that's the plan right now. So we'll go ahead and probably set up right about there. Turn the PTO on. How heavy are you loaded? 15 in the box? 14? Okay. All right, go ahead and hop in it. I want you to steer it the same way that you came out. So just probably turn it left. I'll come over there and talk to you though. Make sure we got a good connection here. We're not gonna pull anything out. Actually, well, yeah. What I'm gonna do is move it up to this one. It's a little sturdier, stronger plate. A little more surface area to work with. Okay. I might have to readjust once we start pulling them a little bit. Okay. Okay. Okay, brakes released. It is automatic?
Yep.
Okay, just leave it in neutral, all right? Okay. And just go ahead and, once I start pulling you a little bit, just turn to the left a little bit. Yeah. That way you can get you straightened out. Okay, now start steering to the left. Other way, there you go. All right, go ahead and go hard left. Other way. There you go. Turn to the right just a touch, right there. Are we good back there? We're not gonna hit anything with the trailer?
Let's get back on.
Okay. Go ahead and hold your foot on the brake for a second. I think you should be able to get out now. I think you should be able to get out right now. What's that?
Chain off?
Yeah, I got the chain off. Just do it real easy. If you start spinning, then we'll stop you. There you go. You're good. All right, start. Keep coming. There you go. You're good on my end. You're good. Good on my end. Good on my end. Okay, go ahead and stop right there for a second. Let me get my chains put up and then you can go forward. Hey, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna be 98 here in like 2 minutes. I know. Alright, bye. Oops. All right. Okay, how far up is that turnaround that you were talking about? Okay, let me get some info off your truck really quick, and then you'll be good to go. Or even if you want to get, I'll pull forward and you just pull right behind me, all right? All right, just pull right behind me. Alright guys, well as always, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a comment in the comment section below what you thought of that, and have a great rest of the day, guys.